99% of people will never get rich. Not because they don't work hard, but because they follow the wrong money rules. Ever wonder why the rich keep getting richer while most people struggle financially? It's not luck, it's strategy. And today, I'll reveal 5 billionaire money secrets that they never teach you in school. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to start thinking and growing, like the wealthy secret number one: the rich buy time, not things. When Elon Musk started Tesla, he reinvested every dollar into his company, even living in a small apartment. Most people, when they make money, buy things. The rich, they buy time by outsourcing, automating, and investing in skills. If you're trading all your time for money, you'll never escape the rat race. Invest in things that grow without you. Secret number two: they avoid lifestyle inflation. Ever heard of Warren Buffett? Despite being worth over $100 billion, he still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. Why? Because rich people don't spend money to impress others. They use it to make more money. Next time you get a raise, don't upgrade your lifestyle. Upgrade your investments. Secret number three: they use debt to make money. Most people see debt as bad, but billionaires use it as a tool. Robert Kiyosaki says, "The rich use debt to get richer, while the poor use debt to get poorer." Rich people borrow money at low interest rates and invest it in income-generating assets. Meanwhile, the average person borrows to buy liabilities like cars and gadgets. If you must take debt, make sure it's making you money, not costing you money. Secret number four: they master one high-income skill. Jeff Bezos started with just one skill: business strategy. Bill Gates focused on coding. The lesson? You don't need to be good at everything, just exceptional at one thing. Find a high-income skill, like investing, sales, or coding, and go all in. That's your ticket to wealth. Secret number five: they make money work for them. If you stop working today, how long can you survive? The rich never worry about this because they don't rely on one income stream. They create multiple. Start investing early, even if it's just $5 a day. The goal is to make your money generate money while you sleep. So, the rich: 1. Buy time, not things. Avoid lifestyle inflation. 3. Use debt wisely. Master one high-income skill. 5. Make money work for them. Which of these money secrets surprised you the most? Comment below. I read every response. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe for more financial secrets that can change your life.